Check out this beautiful S-Code 1969 Mach 1. So the S-Code is a 390 V8. I think they're rated at like 320 horsepower. It's got a C6 automatic transmission, power disc brakes up front, factory power steering. It's got a Marti Report. It's a real Mach 1. The color was changed. It used to be candy apple red, and previous owner before that decided to paint it black, and I think he did a beautiful job. Raven black with the gold stripes looks great. 14-inch style steel wheels, BF Goodrich TA radials, my favorite. Of course, the gold Mach 1 stripe that lights up at night when you put the headlights on it. Looks real cool. It's got the sport mirrors, the remote mirror on this side. Got the flat black hood, of course. And somebody told me once that that's used for racing so you don't have glare off the hood. So, you know, the TA Challengers had that. Some of the Mustangs. Pretty cool. Let me show you the interior. Dash is in nice condition. All the glass is in nice shape. Weather stripping. Seat upholstery is beautiful. Very nice. All new. It's got the fold down rear seat. Like I said earlier, it's got a couple of added gauges there, some Stewart Warner gauges. You got a temp and oil pressure. Those are the important ones. The original AM radio still works. Look at that. Even the clock works. But very nice in here. It's got the shoulder 3-point belts too from the factory. Center console, a couple drink holders. That just lays there. Thought that was kind of cool. It's just on, that's where the seat belts go to store. But I'd rather have the cup holder myself. Go to Cars and Coffee. Gotta have a place to put your coffee. Very tight, solid rust-free car. It's got black California plates on it. Just lots of fun to drive. Good driver. And rare. Here's the power plant in the S-Code Fastback Mach 1. Really clean and sanitary under the hood. Just enough chrome and aluminum to make it pop. It's got the chrome export brace there. The aluminum valve covers, fin valve covers. Aluminum radiator with catch can. Those are a must with big block cars. Squirts out a little coolant, goes into the can, sucks back into the radiator so you don't lose any. But factory power steering, that's all nice. Some chrome pulleys, chrome hinges, and there's that power disc brake unit. Good looking. Go ahead and fire this one up for you. Got dual exhaust too. It's got the 4-tip chrome exhaust. It's got really tame mufflers on it, so it's not too loud, but you can hear it out the back when you get on it. Nice, smooth running motor. It's got the Unilight electronic ignition. That helps a little bit. Just enough rumble out the back. Well, if you want to come see this beautiful Mach 1 out here in sunny Southern California, we're in Simi Valley, 2158 Union Place, Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. If you have any questions, give me a call. My name is Rich. Happy to go over the car with you, send you some undercarriage pictures, get you a loan if you need one, or help you, or get it shipped. Thanks for watching. It's a very special car. Let's go for a spin in this really beautiful 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1. 69 is the best year, I think. And it's got that little scoop on the side quarter panel, little air vent. Gives it the look. But this one's finished in raven black with black interior. This is kind of a rare one. It's an S-Code, which is basically the 390 V8. They made less of those than they did the 428s. So it's stuffed in there, runs really good. Got a couple upgrades, got aluminum radiator in there with an overflow catch can. It's got some nice valve covers on it. 4-barrel dual exhaust. It's got power steering, power disc brakes up front. Of course, it's got the hood scoop. Always like looking at that through the windshield. Also the little turn signals in the scoop there. Hood pins. Got the original steering wheel. These have like a little horn ring inside of there. These steering wheels get expensive if you don't have one, but that's kind of cool. Original AM radio works. surprisingly. It's got a couple extra gauges there under the dash, because up here you just got some regular gauges, and I don't know, I like to have a little accurate reading on what's going on. But it's got good oil pressure, runs cool. We drove this car about an hour and a half home when we bought it on the freeway. Excellent, drove so nice. But it's a really good, solid, rust-free car. Got some old black California plates on there. Very nice. We'll go up here and take some more pictures and video for you so you get a better look at it.